Nababo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Mark Conanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
As well as helping businesses promote their products and services to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, nandito po tayo sa Wing Valley. Actually, this is not our first time to feature them. Meron na po tayong feature from home which really went viral po. No? So right now,
We will be taking the dine-in naman.
dine-in. So we're gonna show you the new dining system nila.
At the same time, dito, unlimited wings.
So there you have it. Please be with us if you're interested to check out kung ano po yung sinaserve nila dito.
So tara, let's go!
Hi, ako po yung Kaiser.
Ako po Tam. Welcome to Wing Valley.
One time kasi subukan mo yung magluto ng ulit ng kahit higit mo po na masanting yung opportunity para ka rin mag-start business. Lalo na po na patukuya po ka rin tao, lalo na po ka rin estudyante.
Personally po, kako po, yung pinakapaborito kong flavor yung honey lemon po. Kasi po, yung tamis na po, ang po yung kaslam na po ng lemon, mag-blend na po yung metong at metong. Tapos, yung best seller mi po is garlic parmesan, honey soy, sweet and spicy, ang po chili garlic.
Kabalen, so always fun part of the vlog is the
Taste testing.
So before we get into the details, let's talk about their menu. Dito po sa Wing Valley, they have 15 flavors to choose from.
Wow!
For the unlimited, no? Dito sa side ni Jan, ito yung mga
Unlimited.
natin.
That's
So,
only
sige,
for 289 pesos.
for only 289 pesos. What do you have?
Dun sa 15 flavors, so meron tayong sweet and spicy, meron tayong sriracha, honey soy, garlic parmesan, samjang, meron din tayong teriyaki, honey barbecue, soy chicken, Texan barbecue, chili garlic, spicy cheese mango, Chinese chicken, honey lemon, sour cream, and Mongolian.
Take note guys, 289 pesos. You get to choose from those flavor as long as you can,
Yes.
as many as you can. And at the same time, meron silang mga one-time serving.
Yes, so meron din silang one-time serving ng half chicken or itong kanilang side dish.
So if you dine here for 2 persons, so they're gonna ask you if you want to be served with the half chicken or in the side dish. Now if you dine here for 3 persons and up, automatically you get to be served yung half chicken and yung side dish na. Now for the side dish, you have hot dog, french fries, crackers, nachos,
and siomai.
Now, on our short orders, dito sa side ko naman, no? So, meron silang Mickey Bihon. This is a must try. Kung na-try namin ito sa bahay, we really enjoyed it. And grabe, you also have to try it, no? They also serve burgers. Now, for the burgers, as low as 100 pesos, available din po dito sa Wing Valley. Available din dito yung kanilang nachos. Now, let's get into the details. Let's taste yung mga wings nila. Okay, so, unang pipili si Jan. What do you choose?
So I'll go for this one. Mukha kasi siyang appetizing.
Ooh, that's so big.
Yeah.
That is so big for wings, no? Ako naman, titikman ko itong, I think this is
Parmesan.
Parmesan. Okay, so let's taste it. Oh wow, that is so tasty. So isa pa sa mga commendable sa mga wings nila, yung mga choice cuts nila are really huge.
Yes.
No?
I think this is the chili garlic.
Chili garlic.
Yes.
Ako naman siguro ito yung Parmesan. Yan, Parmesan. So let's move on. Isa pa sa mga titikman natin. So I think this is the spicy cheese mango.
I'll taste the Mongolian nila.
Yeah. Actually, this is my first time to hear yung spicy cheese mango.
Yes.
No, so they actually incorporated yung cheese and then yung mango and then yung
Spicy.
spicy. Yeah, let's taste it. Oh wow.
Dito sa Wing Valley, talagang kakaiba yung mga flavors nila, no? Ako, ngayon lang ako nakatingin ng Mongolian nila. And ang sarap.
So this one naman, although flavor ng mango is, on the sweet side, medyo mabait na lasa, in-infuse nila ng spicy, merong components na talagang nag-aaway sa lasa, which is really interesting. Wow! Grabe. So many flavors to, choose from, to taste from, but we gotta move on.
So let's taste naman yung kanilang pancit canton.
Pancit canton. Grabe yung pancit canton nila, guys. It's overload with mga sahog natin dyan. No? It's meaty. It's full of, vegetable as well. Pero importante dyan, guys, kung talagang masasatisfy ba yung sa lasa. Ako naman, guys, ito yung titikman ko, yung kanilang Mickey bihon. So, same as the pancit canton, this is actually loaded with your meats. No? You have your, I think these are meatballs, no? May mga vegetables.
Ang dami Yung serving nila ang dami.
This is a lot, guys. Grabe. And so let's squeeze in, just one calamansi. One thing na nag-enjoy talaga ako is yung kanilang mga pancit.
Yes, actually yung pancit nila ang sarap eh. Pinoy na Pinoy.
Pinoy na Pinoy. So again guys, grabe, napakasarap po ng pancit. I have to emphasize it because I'm really enjoying it. But we have to move on to the next dish we're gonna taste. This is their burgers. Again, for as low as 100 pesos.
It is actually a beef patty.
Let's taste it, guys. Oh, wow. You can actually taste 100% pure patty, beef patty. The vegetable is fresh, no? And at the same time, again, yung lasa, that's really important because yun yung babalik-balikan eh.
Para mag-enjoy ka.
Mag-enjoy
for
ka
as low as 100 pesos.
That's a lot of value from the money that you spend, considering it's just 100 pesos.
Katanda kayo kung bisita Kenyuin Valley, located kay po Kenyan East Commercial Center, San Jose, City of San Fernando, Pampanga, lalena po ng Robinson Star Mills, arap na po ng SM Pampanga. Makabuklat kayo po 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. from Monday to Sunday. See you soon!
Sobrang dami ng kailangan natin tikman, but again, we would like to thank Wing Valley for inviting us. They are welcoming dine-in.
Yes.
As soon as you order, you can actually enjoy these amazing dishes. So what are you waiting for, guys? So right after a heavy battle with your unlimited chicken or yung sa mga mga pancit natin, you can also order yung mga dessert nila. So available desserts dito. So you have your leche flan, ube halaya with cheese, and tibok-tibok. Yan. So this is actually again Kapampangan delicacy. I'm gonna go for the tibok-tibok. Let's get some loads of latik. We're gonna taste this one first. Wow, not too sweet. It's so milky. Plus yung latik niya, it adds parang a savory taste. Guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Any reaction coming from you will be highly appreciated. So I have here the sriracha flavored,
and here naman yung Texan barbecue nila.
So before we do the cheers, guys, thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, we hope to see you there.
Peace
out. Bye. Oops, social distancing. Bye. Available din dito yung mga hanging diffuser natin, which are branded Cruiser Scents. Ayan. So you can actually buy this here dito sa store, or you can actually order them through their fan page. Cruiser Scents sa Facebook, they are also open for resellers, even yung mga retailers. So you can actually, have this and then experience great scents sa inyong mga sasakyan. So get them sa kanilang fan page. It's Cruiser Scents.